Hey Pink Squad, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today it is currently 2:12 in the morning. Can y'all believe that? It took me an hour and a half to do this makeup look, but I was just playing around and I just wanted to do this simple smoky red lip makeup look. I've always wanted to try this look and I think I did it, and I wanted to go out of my comfort zone because this is mostly like a cool tone wannabe makeup look. I did show a little part where you cannot add the glitter. It's like a glitter pigment, but it's such a beautiful iridescent look. Once you hit the light, like the shine, it's just like oof, like right there. Y'all can see it so close. Like, can y'all see that? That is gorgeous. So I wanted to pair it up with this red lip. I know my outlining is so horrible because I'm tired. I just recently had a car accident, so I can't be sitting down so much in a long period of time. So my back is killing me right now. So I wanted to do this quick, simple makeup look for y'all that I've been wanting to try out. So I hope y'all like it, and I will be trying to do more videos because I have physical therapy 4 times a week, so I'll be a little bit missing out on everything, but I'll try to do makeup looks as much as possible. It's super beginner friendly, as I'm a beginner also. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all do, give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and go into the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's start off with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. You already know, if you've been following me for a while, this is the only concealer I use for my everyday makeup or my makeup tutorials, but this time we are going to be setting it. I know it's weird, I never set it, but yeah, we're gonna set it for this time. Okay, so don't go overboard with the concealer because this is a soft look, so we don't need much concealer. So I am taking my time on blending everything out. I'm using the AOA Perfect Powder in beige. You don't have to use this powder, you can use translucent powder. I just had this in hand. It was late at night, so I just used whatever I had in hand. I'm using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette for the first time since I got it from my last haul. If y'all have not checked that out, I'll link it in the description box below. So yeah, this is the first time I'm using it. I have used it in other people, but not on me. So I was really excited to use this palette, and I am in love with this palette. Now I know why everybody has it. I have never tried Urban Decay eyeshadows, but girl, I'm gonna have to pick some more up. So actually, this is a clip. Girl, I'm not lying. I stood there while I was editing. I was like, oh my god, I was blending and blending and blending for almost 10 minutes. But
hey Google, play Cardi B, Please Me.
I'd be happy to. Please Me by Cardi B, Bruno Mars, sure. Playing on Spotify.
okay, so after jamming out, I forgot I inserted that clip, but yeah, I was jamming out at this hour. But you know, whatever, I was bored and I was not sleepy. But anyways, I did take my Morphe M433, and like I was saying, yeah, I stood there blending for a great while. Even though this is a very easy makeup tutorial, like you don't need much, the blending was key. Mostly that transition shade was just like the main thing. So since I wanted something smoky but something simple, I wanted the glitter to pop out more. So I mean, I just did minimal kind of colors. You don't have to go very overboard with the colors. It's just blending and blending and blending. It's the whole key for this makeup look. It's just blending. So I took that Morphe M433 with that shade, and I went back to the first transition shade to pop that color back on and blend out that darker shade. Okay, so now going to a deeper brown, I'm gonna take that one right there and I just wanted to focus this on the outer corner of the eye only. So don't even pop it into your crease or nothing like that. Just keep it into your outer corner, which we just want the definition more towards the outer of the eye instead of towards in. I don't know how to explain it, but just blend out the darker color on your outer eye. I just want like more of the drama on my outer eye. I believe that's how you can explain it. I don't know. So I did take the Luxie brush. This is from the new BoxyCharm box for this month of, what am I in, April? Yeah, for the month of April. That's so if you have BoxyCharm, you have this brush anyway. So that's the brush I used to cut my crease with the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. I was gonna do a video on cut creases, but y'all preferred the cakey face, so let me know if y'all still want me to do that video on how to do a cut crease, because I really want to do it. But anywho, I am gonna take a Morphe M506, or you can take an M507 brush. Now you want to feather this shade lightly. Don't put pressure, just feather it towards your cut crease so you can have that smoky out faded look. So don't put pressure, just feather it out and just use light strokes. Like, don't even put pressure to your brush so it can feather out. And to set my concealer, I did use the same powder. You can use face powder, or like I said, you can use your translucent powder. Does not matter. We just want to set down that concealer, and you can leave it like this after this. If you don't want glitter and you just want it simple, you can just add glitter or however you like. Just, it's your preference. Doesn't matter. Just make sure that outer corner is blended into your crease, because we don't want for it like to be obvious where your concealer starts and where like your dark shade starts, because that's not cute. So yeah, you can either leave it like that. I'm gonna use Cloudbuster Clear. This is a glitter pigment iridescent, I don't know what you can call it, but I did stamp my Santee glitter primer from Jbeves all over my lid. I let it get like semi-dry. Now note this, I took a fluffy brush from AOA. You don't want to use a pack dent brush for this glitter, because trust me, it's not gonna look cute. I tried it, did not work out, because I tried to work out with this glitter before. So you want to make sure it is a fluffy brush, that way the glitter can just like sprinkle onto your eyelid. So the fluffier the better. Just don't put that much pressure, just like stamp it slightly, just so the glitter can just fall and sprinkle. I don't know, just use a fluffy brush. Okay, that way it can look pretty and not like glittery-ish. I don't know how to explain, but yeah. Anywho, I'm gonna go back in with my transition shade, and I'm gonna use that onto my under my eye just to smoke it out. I just wanted a main focus on the glitter, but also that smokiness. So yeah, girl, just use the transition shade and that dark brown shade, or medium dark brown. I don't remember which one I went with. Oh yeah, the medium dark brown. So yeah, that under my eye. And the key to this also is building your color step by step. You don't want to go overboard. You don't want to go really hard-handed with your eyeshadows. Is building is the key, and blending out your eyeshadow. So see, I just went back in with that brown shade, keep blending, add, blend, add. So just step by step, building and blending. So I'll go back to my transition shade to blend out that brown shade. And like I said, I don't want that much popping into my inner corner, so I just added a little bit just so it could look a little bit alive. But like I said, I just want my eyes to, my lid to pop more, and took the LA Girl black pencil, gel pencil for my waterline, and my Maybelline Less Sensational mascara, I think that's what it's called. Okay, so now I was gonna take the Anastasia lip gloss, but it just did not work out. And so I took this lip block. I forgot the name. I'll put it in the description box. It's from AOA. I've been having this for 6 months, guys, and I have never opened it before. I was just opening it. I was like, you know what, let me try it. I'm in love with this lipstick, girl. It dries down like a liquid lipstick. It was a pain in the butt to take off. 100% recommend lip blocks. I always love their lip blocks, and I do not regret it using. I feel like the red lip is just like that popping thing. It's just like a simple smoky look with a deep red lipstick. Like, I don't know, it's popping. I don't know. I loved it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, go ahead and see you on the next one.